Good morning from Seoul, South Korea. Yesterday it was raining, today is a beautiful, bright and sunny day. The first thing we're doing is going inside K-Style Hub. The coolest thing that we're doing this morning is that we're gonna be learning how to make Korean food. And I absolutely love to eat Korean food, so I can't wait to learn how to make some of my favorite dishes. And what do you think, man? You excited for this?
I'm so excited. It's my first cooking class ever.
Wow. Dude.
I know. Sorry guys, I don't cook, I just like to eat. I'm a monster.
So right now, guys, we're exploring the K-Style Hub. This is the second level. On this level, you've got a lot of information about K-pop and K-pop culture. You also have a lot of travel information, so travel guides, brochures, different interactive things. There's even a VR set, so we're gonna go check that out. And on the third level, we have information all about Korean food, like dishes, ingredients. So we're gonna go explore the second level and then also the third level. Over here, guys, this is the VR section where you can have a total immersive experience related to travel here in Korea. Oh my gosh, you just did this and you said it was scary. So you put on these VR goggles here and apparently you're standing on a building, right? How does that work? Oh, whoops, is that the wrong way? I gotta take this off. Oh my gosh, I'm standing on the edge. Oh dude, I literally feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh. I had to take him off. I was going over the sides. So over here we have the K-pop stars. I'm hanging out with them. I have no idea who they are. It seems like every year they change. But yeah, and there's a really cool theme room with Psy. I'm gonna show you that next. Let's go get our Oppa Gangnam Style on.
Sexy lady.
So that was the second level. There's some more sections to it, but we are running out of time, so I'm gonna quickly show you the food section on level 3. So over here we have a royal Korean feast called a han chunshik, which centers around one principal dish, normally like a stew or meat, and the rest, all those other little dishes called banchan, are the Korean side dishes that accompany the royal meal. Some wise words over here: you are what you eat. And in Korea, you can eat very well. So guys, just behind me, I have to show you these clay pots. These are the traditional pots used to store various Korean ingredients such as kimchi, gochujang, which is red pepper paste, doenjang, which is soybean paste. This is the way they are traditionally fermented in these clay pots. So next up is the cooking class, the Korean cooking class, and I'm so excited for this because we're going to learn to make two of my favorite dishes, haemul pajeon, which is like the Korean pancake, and also Sundubu Jjigae, which is like a tofu stew. So we are going to the third floor, Ongo Food Communication.
I'll be your instructor today. Is everybody ready?
Ready. First things first, we gotta wash our hands. Let's keep it clean. Rub it up, scrub, scrub, scrub.
You're killing me, dude. You're killing me. This guy's being hysterical. He doesn't fit in the apron.
Look at me in my apron. Yeah, rocking it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. This is what we use for every day actually at home. Japan, China, same. I don't know if you have traveled Southeast Asia. Thailand, Cambodia, like Vietnam, they use fish sauce much more than soy sauce. That's why the flavor is so different. From now, I'm going to explain a little bit about Korean food. Kimchi and rice is Korean staple. That's what we eat for every single day, believe it or not. And there exist more than 100 different types of kimchi. Okay, next is Korean pancake. This is not a sweet pancake like crepe or like a dessert pancake. This is more like a main dish, or we eat with, you know, the Korean alcohol, makgeolli or soju. So in here, I'm going to make a batter using cold water. Guess why I'm using ice cold water? Everybody tried Japanese tempura. It's very light and crispy. The secret is beer or ice cold water. Of course, barbecue and all kind of pancake is considered like a party food. We don't eat, this is not a food for every day. Your mom or someone is cooking, preparing Korean pancake. You say, oh, is someone visiting us, or something special is happening today? So today the pancake that we're cooking is in Korean word 해물파전, the seafood pancake. But there are many different pancakes in Korea, like kimchi pancake. The concept is green onion. If you see here, the texture from here is different. So what I'm going to do from now is turn the knife to this side to make it flat.
Right, so we are going to be cooking some Korean food. I'm with Jia. And this is your company.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're doing Korean cooking class and food tours.
So exciting. Okay, so what do we do to start
So
here?
this is the ingredient for the pajeon today.
Yep.
So we have all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
So let's make a batter first. Pinch of salt add
Okay.
to the flour.
Taking a pinch of salt.
Yeah, and then this is black pepper. Just add to it.
Black pepper is next.
Yep.
Just like that. A little bit.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. I like my pepper.
Okay. Mix.
So I'm going to whisk that around a bit.
Then I'm adding cold water to it.
Oh, thank you. And you had mentioned that it's important to use cold water.
Very important.
Very
Or beer,
important.
right?
Yeah. Or
Yeah,
beer.
or
cold
beer.
But regular beer works well.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay. So make like a creamy texture. So it looks nice now.
It looks really nice.
Yeah. And then now what we're gonna do is let's trim. This is green onion.
The green onion, this is called the pa, right?
Pa. Yes.
in Korean.
Pa means green onion in Korean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that looking good? Everything's ready.
So let's go and cook now.
Okay. Fantastic. We're putting a bit of oil in here.
About 1 tablespoon.
And then we have to let it heat up a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just pour everything like this. Then we'll spread.
One by one.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's hot.
We have calamari
Yeah.
and the shrimp today.
Calamari and the shrimp. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Gives it some color, especially the red.
Oh yeah. It looks nice, but
Yes.
you're missing one thing.
Oh, what's
What
that?
is it? Yeah.
Oh, the egg.
So we're gonna pour little by little the top.
Okay.
So you know the purpose of the egg, right?
Right. It basically it acts as a kind of like a glue. And I can feel that heat, guys. It is sizzling on my hand.
It's gonna take some time, 3 minutes to 4 minutes, until the bottom part turns really crispy and brown.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
smells
so once
so
in a
good,
while,
guys.
you check like this.
Okay, and we want it to be like a kind of a golden brown.
Well, I like that. What do you think?
I think so too. I like it
Okay.
crispy.
Okay.
If you're gonna have fried food, go all the way, crispy,
Oh, yeah.
crispy to the max.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, it is time to flip the pancake, the haemul. We like it crispy, and you're supposed to just do it in one go. So I've got it like this. Boom. And look at how golden that is, guys. Crispy to the max. Go crispy or go home. Boom. So good.
Wow.
Doesn't that look amazing? I can't wait to eat that, man. And it says, the plate says, have a happy day. Whenever you're having 해물파전, it's a happy day. Guys, the next stage is to cut it. So what you do is you lift it with the tongue, cut it right in the middle. Oh wow, that is thick. In Korean cuisine, you use scissors a lot, both in barbecue and also for pancakes. So I'm cutting it into long strips right now. There, I'm going like this. There.
The big reason why we're doing this is because we're using chopsticks. Here in Korean, you know, obviously in Korea, China, Japan, they use chopsticks for everything. So you have to make it into like bite size, right?
Exactly. So I've got one more strip to do. There we go. I'm lifting it up a little higher this time, so it worked. There we go. Look at that. haemul ready to eat. So we have completed the haemul and my friend over here, what's your name?
My name is Lim.
Oh, Lim. So you're gonna help show me how to make the sauce for the pajeon.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. So what did we do first?
Actually, this is based on the pepper powder. It's really simple. Soy sauce.
So it's about a tablespoon?
Actually, 1 tablespoon. So 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
And the vinegar is depend on your taste.
Okay, I like vinegar, so
Okay,
yeah,
I'm gonna
let's put it in. So I am about to try the haemul, one of my favorite Korean dishes, and I'm gonna grab a great big piece right from the middle with some shrimp. So what I do is I just take it like this, take it for a swim in the sauce, which has soy sauce, sesame sauce, vinegar, and some chili powder, and then a 1-biter. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I can't say it's good because I cooked it, but it's good because of the ingredients. There's so many delicious things in here. I just love this. And again, you typically have this on a day after you go hiking in Korea, or when it's raining. And the nicest thing to pair it with in terms of a drink is a Korean drink called makgeolli. So I don't have any makgeolli today, but I am enjoying this haemul very, very much. David, you're gonna try the haemul
Oh my god, this thing looks amazing. Look at this savory pancake. We got the green onions, the octopus.
So colorful, huh?
So colorful.
Oh man.
Man,
It's like a rainbow on a plate.
I love how many ingredients. Let me get some of that right there. So right, you gotta dip it right into this. You need this sauce. The sauce like just gives that a nice little kick. So good. Nice and crunchy. I like how thick the dough is. Not like too thick. Bigger than a crepe dough. Not too thin. Octopus. Very tender. Oh my god, man. This is like so unreal.
Yeah.
So unreal.
This is a really exciting moment. Audrey, eat your heart out. This is her favorite jjigae. Sundubu Jjigae. Silken tofu with all kinds of vegetables, all kinds of seafood. This is amazing, guys. And I can't believe we made this, because this is something I've had so many times in Korea. Okay, I'm grabbing a big piece with the silken tofu. Spicy, the tofu is so smooth, it absorbs all the flavors. And then you get the nice chewy texture of the seafood. Oh man, perfect Korean dish. I love it. All right, David.
Yes, sir. I love this thing.
The dish that you made.
Dude, it's so good. And we haven't even tried the shrimp, so I'm gonna go in with the shrimp first. Ooh, right there, look at that.
Look at that. Oh.
Look at it, it's spicy. It's not too spicy though. I wish it was spicier.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Isn't that good?
Oh, very soft this one. Yeah man, this is so good. I love seafood tofu soups. I had one in Japan.
Yeah.
Blew my mind. But here, this tofu, you know, some people don't love tofu. I personally love it.
Yeah.
You never have it alone. You know, you always either have it with something like soy sauce, wasabi, or you dip it into something like this, and then you make a stew out of it, and it absorbs all the flavors.
It's like a sponge, basically.
Dude, I can fill up on tofu all day.
So man, we didn't burn down the kitchen. We made 2 nice Korean dishes. We had a lot of help, which is good, because neither of us we're better at eating than we are cooking.
Yeah, I've never cooked a dish in my life. And one thing Sam didn't do is he didn't grab any of the rice. So you get super sticky rice. You just dip it in here, right there, just let it.
Again, the rice absorbs the flavors of that broth.
Like that. No, it's not spicy at all.
Yeah.
Where's the spice? More.
So I've had a great time learning how to cook with you. Thank you so much. And for anyone visiting Seoul, how can they come to your cooking school, to your cooking class?
So yeah, we are on Go Food. You can Google it.
Okay.
And we're located inside on the very, the center of the city, very convenient.
Center of Seoul. It's nearby all the palaces. It's nearby, not too far from Myeongdong either. What a fantastic meal. I can't believe we got to cook 2 of my favorite Korean dishes. Haemul, Sundubu Jjigae. So yeah, a lot of fun. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe to my man, David. David's been here. Samuel and Audrey, we'll see you with more Korean food and travel videos soon.